Hello guys, this is boy Binky from How to PC. Today I walk you through how to fix Google Chrome high memory usage issues in a Windows machine. This step is very easy. You go to Google Chrome. From there, you go to three dot in the top right corner. You go to more tools and you go extensions and you need to remove any extension you don't want to use it like that. Remove it. Click remove. Looking for someone you are not using, like that. That will help you fix the issues and this video for today. I hope it helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.